India, most of the people prefer offline way of marketing.
Correct.
Face-to-face marketing.
Yes.
Online is not into, popularity.
Right.
So what are your ideas or suggestion about this?
See, first of all, we have to look at the population of India. How many of them are literate and how many of them have computer access? I think we would be second to China in terms of internet access because of our population. The best way to go digital right now for our country is through mobile applications. The second would be through smart TVs, which is slowly catching up. Currently, a smart TV costs somewhere around 80 to 90,000 rupees, so it's not affordable for the middleman. But a mobile phone, a smartphone, definitely is. So digital marketing has a lot of scope in India. In fact, most bookings today, travel bookings, are done online. I'm not referring to flight bookings, I'm referring to train bookings. So we are seeing a micro sector developing at a very rapid pace in terms of digital. In fact, according to sources in the industry, by 2014, 40% of the advertising market is going to be owned by digital, which is a huge leap and jump for digital industry within the last 5 years.
So institutes are really into theory. They are
Right.
not more of practicality.
Right.
And the industry demand is more of practical.
Absolutely.
So how do we bridge the gap?
First of all, as a professor of North Point Center of Learning, our course is very unique because we have no affiliation to any B school. Although we are, our whole program of 11 months serves as a mini MBA program. We are partnered with 16 top agencies, including digital ones, right from New York to Mumbai, where our students only undergo practical knowledge. We don't have any bookish knowledge. No textbooks are allowed on campus. It's just executives, managing directors, vice presidents who are coming there and teaching on a day-to-day basis. Apart from that, 3 months is compulsory. You have to intern with one of the 16 partnered agencies or any other agency which we can request for the same. And that the whole idea is to build actionable knowledge. When you build actionable knowledge, from day one, you don't need to undergo a training process. You're starting your work and you already know who your manager is. You already know what kind of challenges and obstacles you face in real life. Otherwise, what happens, say for example, XYZ author writes a case study or a textbook in marketing or advertising, sitting somewhere, God knows, maybe in some other country, who has no idea about the Indian scenario, and we are taught to by heart that and write it and vomit it out in our exams, but that doesn't serve any purpose. So we are running a digital course for 11 months, and hopefully we should be able to bridge this gap. Many other institutes are also trying to do similar things, but of course they are bound by university regulations.